Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to generate a reliable and fact-checked content with Perplexity AI. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Perplexity AI using your preferred web browser. And then here in the search bar, you can input a clear and specific queries. You can enter a detailed questions or prompt to receive precise answers, like this example here. And then here you can review the cited sources. The Perplexity AI provides inline citations with its responses. Hover over to click on these citations to verify the information and explore original sources, ensuring the content's credibility. And for engage in follow-up interactions, if you require a more detailed information or clarification, you can continue the interaction by asking a follow-up questions. And then here, the Perplexity AI maintains the context of your queries, facilitating a coherent and a comprehensive information gathering process. And by following these simple steps, you can effectively utilize the Perplexity AI to obtain accurate, up to date, and well sourced information for your content creation needs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.